Are you shocked with your new menopausal body? Weight gain, hot flashes, cognitive decline, to name a few. I'm Kathy Cooks, and I have been making cooking videos on YouTube for years. In the last 2, I have gained 15 pounds, developed severe hot flashes, have this weird symptom called burning mouth, and sleepless nights. The day I stepped on the scale and saw I weighed 173, I was like, that is it. Something's gotta give. And I changed the entire way I ate and exercised. My channel is now geared to perimenopausal women and beyond who want this chapter of their lives to be rich and full and healthy. I will show you great foods that are gonna nourish your beautiful aging body. I'm gonna give you cooking tips, recipes, dietary suggestions. We will laugh together and thrive one hot flash at a time. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and let's go through this menopausal journey together.